Alright, today I'm making a self-watering planter out of this old bin that is watertight, but it's missing a lid. Actually, the lid got destroyed. Actually got this bin and a bunch of others for free, well, relatively free, out of a storage unit auction, so... But you can get these bins pretty cheap on clearance for like $5 at Walmart or what have you. Anyhow, then I'm using corrugated drain tile that I drilled some holes in. You can get some stuff that has holes in it already and is wrapped. That's pretty expensive. And you can also get slotted ones, but it just has cuts in it. I don't think that'd work that good. This is the cheapest kind. And I think this is 4 or 6 inch. I don't know, it doesn't really matter. Just get the cheap stuff, whatever fits. And I just cut it to length and fit in the bottom of here. Now you could put hardware cloth over this or something to filter dirt from getting in that. But what I'm going to use is I'm just going to put a nice layer of wood chips, because I got a wood chipper now, and yeah, it doesn't cost me anything for the most part. Plus, as they break down, they will help the plants grow and everything else. So, yeah, let's do that next. Put in a layer of wood chips. Okay, so I have a good 2 to 3 inch layer of wood chips over the pipes. Here, I'll show you. Yeah, about 3 inches, something like that. And, by the way, in gardening, I try to avoid pine wood chips, because pine has all that sap and shit in it. I don't think it works as well. And they don't break down as easy, and blah, 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 blah. Anyhow, this is mainly like everything else. Yeah, my new wood chipper does not like little sticks, so little sticks it kind of chips, but it doesn't have shredder in it, so it doesn't do well on those, but I don't care. I'm just going to do bigger stuff, so... Anyhow, I'm going to fill it up with dirt now, and then probably add water. Okay, so I put in about 4 or 5 inches of dirt, and now I added an inch or two of rabbit shit. And in this corner, I'm building it up with wood chips, just no dirt, just wood chips all the way down, so that I can fill it from water, the reservoir in the bottom, with water from here, from this corner. And I'll know when it's full because I'm going to drill a hole in the side for overflow, about the height right above the pipe or at the very top of it. So when it's full, it'll shoot out. Okay, so that one's done. I got holes in the end. I just used a small piece of that pipe to measure with. You can see it's into the pipe on both things, so water will come right out, and then dirt and wood chips just in the corner going all the way down, well, to the top of the pipes. This one I'm going to do slightly differently for 2 reasons. One, I don't feel like going and getting another whole piece of pipe to fill the center. And 2, I want to see if this works any better. I'm going to fill this with wood chips like this, and that way the wood chips will be, some of the wood chips will be right down in the water and will wick up the moisture even better possibly than just from the holes. So we'll see if that makes a difference at all. I think it might, but then you also have less water capacity, so we'll see. Alright, so I duct taped both ends of it shut. God dang it. And it's kind of a tight fit in there. Won't matter once you get the dirt on and stuff. There we go. I just didn't want dirt and stuff to start filling in the ends and then, having to refill this all the time or whatever. So that's why I duct taped the 2 ends shut. So, the other ones I didn't duct tape the ends because they're so close to the ends that they won't fill up with stuff. Anyhow, my prediction is this one will do better, mainly for the reason is I use duct tape. Every build is better if you use duct tape. That is a given fact. based on red-green knowledge, as all you Canadians know. Alright, so I just got the hose stuffed into the wood chips there. I'm filling this one up. And you can actually kind of see the water coming down in there if you look really close there. So once the reservoir gets full, it'll come out the end. Shouldn't take super long, I wouldn't think. Alright, it's apparently I drilled the right one a little bit lower than the left. You can see it's starting to overflow, and the left one's about to as well. Maybe. Might not, since the other one's coming out. I think it will, though. Yeah, it's starting. There it goes. So, as you can see, the reservoir is full all the way across. And, yeah.